All right, here's a nice rod. 1939 Ford Deluxe Coupe street rod. A medium blue metallic. Riding on billet specialty wheels. See disc brakes. All four corners, and they are power. Also a power steering. Vintage AC. 351 Windsor underneath the hood. That is paired with an automatic with overdrive transmission, so nice setup. This car is made to go down the road nicely. That overdrive tranny, all the amenities, power steering, brakes, AC. Little over 11,000 miles according to the previous owner on the build. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, you can check out the underside, check out that engine bay, the components I talked about, check out the trunk. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us at 507-386-1726. So you have the front screen for the bug shield and the grill. This work out very nice. Paint on this, good shape. You take this to any of your local shows, cruise-ins. Be proud to drive this one. Interior is a two-tone leather interior, kind of a light gray, medium gray combo. And I'll get around to the other side. We'll pop that driver's door and I'll go through some of the amenities on the inside and options there too. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. And it may be eligible for an extended service contract, so consult with your sales associate when you call in or email us. This is an all-steel body. 39 and 40s, very popular years, great line, especially in these coupes. Frenched-in antenna back here, as you can see, and it is power. That does work. When we fire it up, you're going to see what I'm saying. Cherry Bomb exhaust underneath this car, Cherry Bomb brand exhaust, sounds good. Some of the amenities here in the interior options. Tilt wheel, banjo style wheel, you can see. Classic Industries, I believe it was Gauges, I believe that was the brand. Again, vintage AC, has a nice radio setup in it. We'll tell you one thing also, on the outside, about right here, so just in from that door straight back, there is manual releases on both sides for the doors. There is also the power poppers and the door handles. That's how I'm going to open it here this time. But the door handles, you just move it, it will click and open. There's also a manual popper for the driver's door right behind the seat back here. So there are a couple ways to get into it manually. On the trunk, I want to point that one out also. Above the passenger side rear pipe, above that there is also a latch for getting into the trunk. So there is ways to get into this car manually. For some reason the battery would go dead or you don't have the popper working, but everything's working on it now. Pops the doors open easily. There's the key fob popper, of course. Stereo system, vintage air controls, and then yes, the gauge cluster in the center. 11,021 is believed to be the miles since it was built, and it's Classic Instruments is the brand of gauges, by the way. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Again, 351 Windsor. Radio does work. Shifter on the floor. Little cup holder setup, as you can see. It does have seat belts also. So nice, that door closes. There's your power antenna. Again, it does work. Nice sounding car. Not a crazy loud one, but a nice rumble to let you know it's got a V8 underneath the hood. Good sound to go with a good looking car. I'm going to go ahead and pause this a second. I want to show you the engine bay, so you can check out that 351 under the hood. Alright, great looking engine bay on this car. And the Ford on Ford power the diehards don't want the Chevy small block in there, here you go. Dressed up, got some polished aluminum. Little mirrored cowl back there. Polished intake, 4 racing valve covers. And again, power steering, power brakes, lean seat. So there you go. You're looking for a nice street ride? Here it is, 1939 Ford Coupe. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website listing. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. And it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.